Alright, so the first challenge of the day. A little tic-tac over here to the precision. Over here I have counted it, it's 9 steps approximately. So if we made this tic-tac to the precision, maybe we can do the standing precision. Ready? Done. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so super easy challenge over there. And yeah, it's time for the hand challenge now. So what I'm going to do is, you see this rail over here? So I'm going to climb up from there and then again get down, only with my hands. So this is going to be hard, but it's the Pargo hand day. So let's do this. Yes. Alright, so it was a sick challenge. Whew. I guess you guys didn't hear that. Alright, so it was a sick challenge. Yeah, look at my hands. They are all dirty and all broken down. This is a super sick location over here. Whew. I loved it. Alright, day 2 of the shoot, and this is going to be the last day, and today we are going to try to create as much as line. Oh my god, my mask is falling. Yes, so today we are going to try to create as much as creative lines as possible. So I got this perfect blocks settled over here. So yeah, I've got something creative, let's try. But first I have to get this dive bomb done. Oh, go. Alright, so the security is watching us. There is a slight chance to get kicked off. I think I have to pull this off very fast and calmly because I don't want to mess this up. This is the big and most creative I can think. So yeah, let's just get into it. Probably remember this iconic spot, the big cat paws. Yes, so we are not going to recreate that. We are, instead of doing that, we are going to do a precision from here to there. You guys can see this is all games over here, so I can do perfect splits, but I will not. This is going to be hard to do a precision because you guys can see 2, 3. Alright, so in this kind of wall jumps, you have to really mind your efforts. So how many efforts you put is really important. If you overshoot it, you're probably going to destroy someone's property, and if you undershoot it, you're probably going to fall on your property. Yeah. So it should be, everything should be perfect. Your efforts, your precision, and every time you do something scary, just try to remain calm, and yeah, you're good to go. while we were hunting down some new spots, we found this amazing tic-tac precision over here, and this spot is super cool. I think I can create some crazy lines over here. Yeah, let's hope that I can do that. So the first challenge over here is this. Start from here, start a little balancing run. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and then 8 step precision. Step precision, after this 4 step tic-tac-toe. Yeah. And there are some crazy lines over there too. We'll do everything. अब आइए हमारे साथ, हम दिखाते हैं आपको कैसे करते हैं PKFR, parkour and free running. We'll go with the easy part right now. So it's the 4 step tic-tac, and then we'll work on the hard part, which is the 8 feet long precision. It's a dog. Hi. The finish of the 2-day parkour shoot. ये वीडियो शूट करने में वाट लग गया, बिकॉज हम लोग बाहर आ रहे थे सबसे पहले। Shut up! बिकॉज हम लोग बाहर आ रहे थे घर के सबसे पहले, और मेरा मास्क वापस गेड़ागिरी कर रहा है। ये स्पॉट्स जो हमने ढूंढे प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी पर थे ऑफकोर्स, इसलिए हमें सिक्योरिटी से भी बच कर रहना पड़ा, बिकॉज अगर वो होते तो हमारा पक्का पैकअप होता था। या इट वॉज फन। पहली बार ऐसा परफेक्ट शूट के लिए गए। बस हमें कितना रूफटॉप करूँ क्या?